Tired of your Kvcore listings looking Euro blah? Let's transform them from zero to hero in under 90 seconds, starting with logging into your Kvcore platform and navigating to the Listings tab on the left-hand side. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see all your current listings. Click on the address of the listing you want to edit to dive in. First, review and update the basic info. Is the price still accurate? Has the status changed from active to pending or sold? Ensure the address and all details are spot on. Next, let's punch up that description. Think about the ideal buyer. What are they looking for? Highlight the best features and use compelling language to paint a picture. Avoid generic phrases and focus on what makes this property unique. Now, for the visual feast, upload high-quality photos that showcase the property's best angles. Drag and drop them into your preferred order. First impressions matter. Consider adding a virtual tour link if you have one. Don't forget the details. Fill in all the information about bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, lot size, and any other relevant property features. The more complete the information, the better. Finally, and most importantly, hit that save button. Your listing is now updated and ready to attract potential buyers. And that's it. Keep your listings fresh and engaging, and watch those leads roll in. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.